weaken our arguments as mentioned. Let me refresh my dear judges as well as my opponents. What are those arguments that we are presented being the negative team? The first argument is the resolution does not clearly specify what to do with those who are not legitimate families. Toastmaster and we are talking about illegitimate families in a sense that what we're trying to ask is the legitimacy. And what we want is a clear answer. Will this policy excuse those who are illegitimate couples? And I wonder if you answered it right. Now let me move to our second argument. This is highly unconstitutional and this policy is against human rights. Yes, true indeed. We are focusing on human rights, on the right of the children. But what we are presented is on the human rights on the side of the spacing of the children, the right of the parents, that no one will dictate to them as to the number of children they want, as well as to how many years that their children should be next in line.